Rai. Today I'll be sharing with you few of my best laddu recipes which you're truly gonna enjoy making and sharing with your friends and family. So this festive season, enjoy these homemade laddus. Please do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments or doubts, do write to us in the comment section right below.
Ingredients required are: you need 250 grams of gram flour or besan, 200 grams of sugar. I have taken powdered sugar or the caster sugar, and approximately 200 grams of desi ghee. So firstly we need to heat the desi ghee in a kadhai, and then we'll add besan into it. We have to cook the besan till you get that nice aroma of the paka hua besan, and also you will see a gradual color change. Now you can see the besan has been cooked. We are getting a very nice aroma of cooked besan, and also the color has changed. We will switch off the flame now, and we will allow this mixture to cool down. Our material has cooled down, and now we will add sugar into it. We have prepared all the besan laddus simply by rolling it in between your hands. And this is a new variation of besan laddus wherein we have created an impression, a depth in between, and I've filled it with choco chip. We have some interesting ingredients for our laddus. We have got two types of coconut. One is the fresh coconut which we have taken out from these kind of coconut, the nariyal pani which we generally drink, and there is a malai inside this nariyal. So I have scooped out the malai of the fresh nariyal. So this is the fresh coconut, and this is the other coconut which we generally eat, and we make coconut chutneys using this coconut. So then we need makhana, 1 bowl of makhana, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Firstly, you can take a chopper, or even you can take a mixer grinder, into which we'll add coconut, both kinds of coconut. We have roughly cut it into small pieces, and into this we'll add a little bit of sugar as well. And then you can add either milk, or even you can add the fresh coconut water. So I'm adding a little bit of milk. And our coconut mixture is ready. Firstly, we'll heat oil or ghee in a kadhai. So I've heated 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. To this we will add the crushed mixture of both kind of coconut which we had chopped in my chopper. We have to actually roast this mixture. Previously we have dry roasted makhana, and we are roughly chopping the makhana in the same chopper, because we need a coarse makhana to add to our coconut mixture. You can roast the makhana in microwave as well as in a non-stick pan. Now we have roasted our coconut mixture. To this we will add the crushed makhana. All our ingredients, and allow it to cool down a bit so that we can make laddus out of this mixture. Laddus ready. The ingredients required are: you need 1 cup of cornflakes, half a cup of oats. You can take any kind of dry fruits. I have taken raisins, actually the blackberries and the cashew nuts, and 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm adding maple syrup. Additionally, we will be also adding jaggery or gur for the sweetness and binding the laddus. Now firstly we'll dry roast both cornflakes and as well as oats. Now after dry roasting both the ingredients, we'll be crushing it. Now we have transferred the crushed oats and cornflakes mixture in a bowl, and to this we will be adding butter. Because the mixture is little hot, the butter will also melt in it. We'll even melt the jaggery or the gur in the same kadhai, and we have added the jaggery in the roasted cornflakes, oats and the butter mixture. To this we will be adding crushed cashew nuts, which we have also microwave just for 30 seconds. We will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of maple syrup in the same mixture. You can even avoid adding maple syrup if you want. I am just adding it for the flavor. You can add walnuts, almonds, any other dry fruit which you want. My very healthy laddus are now ready to serve. These laddus are very crispy because of the cornflakes and oats which we have added, and the flavor is super awesome. The flavor of jaggery and maple syrup, all the dry fruits is coming out very nice. So you have to make these laddus. So try making these laddus and do share your views with us. Thank you.